lifestyle of the skimboarder, dude.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Derek with the New Everything Company. Today we'll be teaching you guys how we press our wooden skimboards. So first, let's talk materials. Today we're going to be pressing boards that are 4-ply maple. That means we've got 4 maple veneers, 2 cores, 2 crossbands to allow for maximum strength and durability when it comes to a skimboard. Now, along with the maple veneers, we're using HPL, 1 sheet on top, 1 sheet on bottom. This not only helps you slide fast over sand and rails, but helps your board retain its shape and protect your wooden core. So now we're gonna take our pieces here to the glue table and get them ready for those presses. So what we're gonna do now is glue our HPL and our maple veneers all together. The glue that is used to press a skimboard is so important. We only use Type On 3, the highest quality wood glue available. Alright, now that we have one board glued together, it's time for it to go in that there press. Okay, the boards are in the press and the pressure has been applied. Now we'll leave them in there for a full 24 hours. That way they maintain their shape and don't warp over time. So we'll catch you in 24 hours. So now that it's been 24 hours, these boards can come out of the press and they are ready to be cut, routed, sanded, and sealed. Now that we're here at the cutting station, we're gonna give this board the rough cutout of our signature Bic Pro skimboard. Perfect. Now that we have the rough cut of the board, we're gonna use this template and router it out so we get that exact shape. Now all that's left is to give it a sand and seal it up. Okay, we've got the board all cleaned up. It's ready to get its edges nice and sealed up, protect it from that water and that sand, and then it'll be ready to go. Alright, now there you have it, a handcrafted, one-of-a-kind Bic Pro skimboard made by the New Everything Company.